Hi YouTube, it is Elvira Valdez. I'm coming to you from home. Me and my best friend Amber is gonna be starting up our own little talk show on YouTube, probably like 5 to 7 minutes, because I know the videos on YouTube can only be in 10 minutes. But we will have our longer versions on Facebook if you are willing to watch them. You can add us as a friend on Facebook, and you can add, if you follow me on Twitter, you will find my Facebook page. We'll be talking about so many different things: relationship issues, budgeting your money while being in college, how to make use of your refund check, different things that you can look for when you do go to college, while you're in college, different things to be careful about, being safe. We talk about, issues with sex and young girls, and so many different things, because I feel like as being black young ladies in college, it's such a must. And being black in college, period, is a must, because it's like we are very underestimated, and we always have to work hard and show that we want to be there. So me and my best friend will be talking about different issues. We talk about issues in the media, and anything. And if y'all have anything that y'all would want us to talk about, we will talk about it, But we decided to come back fresh with a fresh start in January, and we will. But on my break, I might be posting little videos, little blog videos, until we actually start back up with the show. So until then, it's just me. Follow me on Twitter and add me as a friend on Facebook.